Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will explain the concept of Z transform for finite sequence. Here's given problem is a finite sequence x of n is defined as x of n equal to 5, 3, minus 3, 0, 4, minus 2. Find Z transform of x of n. Here considered as a first element is minus 3. So that means as the first element is minus 3, that means x of first element, that means x naught equal to minus 3, x of 0 equal to minus 3. In the left side, this is x of minus 1 equal to 3 and x of minus 2 equal to 5. And for right side, x of 1 position is 1, 0 and x of 2 equal to 4 and x of 3 equal to minus 2. That means if we consider the first element, then n equal to 0, n equal to minus 1, n equal to minus 2, and right side n equal to plus 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3. That means for the first element we will consider x of 0 equal to first element minus 3. Now by definition of Z transform or Z transform of x of n is x of z equal to summation of n equal to minus 2 to plus 5, minus 2 to plus 5, x of n into z to the power minus n, or x of minus 2 z square minus 1 into z to the power 1 plus x of 0 plus x of 1 z to the power minus n minus 1 plus x of 2 to z to the power minus 2 plus x of 3 to z to the power minus 3, and that means 5 of z square plus 3z minus 3 into 1 plus 0 into z to the power plus minus 3, or That means x of z equal to 5 of z square plus 3z minus 3 plus 4 z square minus 2 z to the power minus 3. Here's now here's another problem is given that a finite sequence x of n equal to 5 3 0 1 2 4. Find z transform of x of n. Here considered as a first element is 5. As the first element is 5, that means x of 0 equal to 5. X of 1 equal to 3. X of 2 equal to 0. X of 3 equal to 1. X of 4 equal to 2 and x of 5. X of 5 equal to 4. So Z transform is Z transform of x of n x of z equal to summation of n equal to 0 to 5. X of n to z to the power minus n. Oh, here's my mistakes. That means this is not 5, this is 3. N equal to minus 2 to 3. X of 0 to z to the power 0 plus x of 1 into z to the power minus 1 plus x of 2 z to the power minus 2 plus x of 3 z to the power minus 3 plus x of 4 z to the power minus 4 plus x of 5 z to the power minus 5. 5 into 1 plus 3 into z to the power minus 1 z to the power minus 4 into z to the power minus 5. 5 plus 3 into z to the power minus 1 plus 0 plus z to the power minus 3 plus 2 into z to the power minus 4 plus 4 into z to the power minus 5. That means x of z equal to 5 plus 3 into z to the power 1 plus z to the power minus 3 plus 2 into z to the power minus 4 plus 4 into z to the power minus 5. Now another problem is find the signal x of n for which the z transform is x of z equal to 4 into z to the power 4 minus z to the power 3 minus 3z plus 4 into z to the power minus 1 plus 3 into z to the power minus 2. That means here's the problem is inverse z transform x of n to x of finding x of n from x of z. Here we can write 4 into z to the power 4 minus z to the power minus 3 means plus minus 1 into z to the power 3. Oh, this is not minus 3, plus 3 plus 0 into z square minus 3z means plus minus 3 into z to the power 1 4 z to the power minus 1 means 4 z to the power minus 1 0 plus 3 into z to the power minus 2. And that means first element is x of minus 2. First element is 0. That means x of 0 equal to 0. X of minus 1 equal to minus 3. X of minus 2 equal to 0. X of minus 3 equal to minus 1. X of minus 4 equal to 4. And in right side x of 1 equal to 4 and x of 2 equal to 3. Now x of z equal to summation of n equal to minus 4 to plus 2. N equal to minus 4 to plus 2 x of n z to the power minus n. That means x of n equal to 4 minus 1 0 minus 3 0 4 and 3. Another problem of inverse Z transform is if x of z equal to 2z square plus 3, find x of n. Yes, the solution is x of z equal to 2z square plus 3 equal to, or x of z equal to plus 0 into z to the power 1 plus 3 into z to the power 0. That means the first element of x of 0 equal to 3. X of minus 1 equal to 0, x of minus 2 2, and the z transform of x of z, x of n equal to summation of minus 2 to minus 2 to 0 x of n to z to the power minus n. That means x of n 2 0 3 2 0 3. This is another problem on inverse z transform. If x of z equal to 3 plus 2 into z inverse 1 plus 3 into z inverse z to the power minus 3, find x of n. Here so we can write x of z 3 into z to the power 0. 3 means 3 into z to the power 0, z to the power 3 means 1, plus 2 into z to the power minus 1 plus 3 into z to the power minus 3, 0 into z to the power minus 2. That means 0. Here the first element is 3. That means x of 0 equal to 3, x of 1 equal to 2, x of 2 equal to 0, x of 3 equal to 3. We know that z transform of x of n is x of z equal to n equal to 0 to plus 3, x of n to z to the power minus n. That means x of n equal to 3 to 0, 3 to 0 and 3. Here is my lecture, ending the lecture here. Thank you.